this is Tracy from Uniquely Creative. I'm showing you our new January collection, but we have more than just the January collection. You might have seen on Boxing Day we released these two collections, which is Mind Over Matter and Seize the Day. But today I am showing you all our summer holiday collection. It's a beautiful, fun, summery collection. Let me go through the papers. It's called Beautiful Day. Front and back. Summer Cocktails. This one is Sun-Kissed. Very cute. Staycation. Garden Party. Day at the Beach. Home Holiday. And Citrus Bloom. This is the fussy cutting one. And of course this is the 12x12 collection pack. You can also get Summer Holiday in the 6x6, and of course we have the creative cuts too. We are also releasing our 8x12 albums in January. These featured in our advent kit and they are fabulous. Just quickly show you through an album that Liddell has been working on using our beautiful little pocket pages in here. Our albums also feature these cardboard inserts which you can scrapbook on. They're really thick 300 DSM, so you can scrapbook on them, cut them down to make little mini scrapbooking pages as well as the pocket pages. And we have got these new vellum inserts that match our summer holiday collection, and you can scrapbook on those too. We have got these two new dies releasing, this is our maison jar, and you can cut those flowers out or just leave them in the jar, and our cute little summer icons. Very cute pages you can be made with this. It's very summery and perfect for all of your holidaying at home in Australia kind of photos. So if you want to go back and do some of your overseas travels, of course you can do that too, but not just for holidays. How beautiful is that page? It is just gorgeous. That's that one of Little Willow I showed you. Perfect for travel, perfect for just your literally days in the summer holidays. How cute's that? Really beautiful. Oh, isn't she adorable? This is my girl too. Cartwheels everywhere. There are also extra pocket packs you can get. So these are the different inserts for the album. This is pack 1. You can see the different styles there. And this is a pack 2. Different styles on there as well. I'm going to quickly show you now what is in the kit. So if you subscribe to the kit or you're thinking about getting the kit, you have got in the kit an entire album. We have got the mixed flowers, the lace flowers. We have got our summer holiday little pocket pack. You can buy these as well as separately, which is the 6x4 pocket packs. They're perfect for the albums. The creative cuts. These are the vellum inserts for summer holiday, and they go in the album and they are amazing. Of course, you've got the magazine, which is this full of ideas and instructions. This is the wooden laser cut. 2 cut apart sheets, your regular one and a watercolor one, and of course the 12x12 collection pack. So that is all the summer holiday stuff. I'm going to quickly show you, if you haven't already seen, Mind Over Matter and Seize the Day. So these collections are also available now. Okay, so we've got Choose Happy, front and back. This one is Trust the Process, front and back. Enjoy Every Day. This one is Fussy Cuts. We have got Love Life, my favorite piece of paper ever, I think. And the back, and the layer cuts, which are perfect for albums. And that is the 12x12 collection pack. And this is Seize the Day, which also featured in our advent kit. Front and back. How good was the advent kit, by the way? Possibilities, such great value. Take a Breath. Motivated. Think Happy Thoughts, my second most favorite piece of paper ever. And of course the fussy cuts for the album, and that is the collection pack. Also, of course, you can get the creative cuts and the 6x6. These are great for card making. Don't know if you've already seen our card making kits featuring this collection. One other quick little thing, you might have noted in the advent kit we had these gorgeous little tassels. You can purchase these now as well, and this matches these collections perfectly. There is also the thread that goes with it too. One last thing I want to show you is this is the spine. You can buy this so you can scrapbook little pieces of paper or put die cuts and then put this into the album on its own. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was a long one. Thanks for getting through it with me. This is our new collection, Summer Holiday, Seize the Day and Mind Over Matter. It's going to be a big year and we're starting off strong. See you guys.